Any manufacturer or any textile company should come to sourcing because that's the way to get to know the market, to get to know the customers, the needs, and to be also on the top of the trends.
We're currently working in Peru, Mexico, and Ethiopia. I've been really interested in working in India, so I've met some vendors here and someone from the Trade Commission. So I feel like I've gotten a really well-rounded group of contacts from being here. The possibilities are endless.
We are here, Magic Sourcing, because we feel that is a big opportunity for the Portuguese textile. It is one of the biggest and most important shows in the US.
Es una buena oportunidad para nuestra empresa Inca Moda venir acá a Sourcing at Magic. Y bueno, es importante para nosotros estar aquí, conectar con más compradores, promover nuestra marca, promover nuestro país, promover las fibras naturales de nuestro país.
I think Magic Sourcing provides an amazing platform for both people who are sourcing as well as the people who are providing these products for brands and retailers. Everybody gets a win-win situation.
It's very strategically well located because it's so many LA-based brands that very much want to source our materials.
So Sourcing Magic was definitely the right place for us to be here. We've been booked up the entire day. We're booked up the next couple of days. And it's just great that you can feel that no matter with what background we come, you really end up taking the message to heart. Super, super pleased, and we'd come back here anytime, absolutely.
Sustainability is a huge theme at Sourcing right now. Everything from a manufacturing side to also follow through into an aesthetic, treating our earth, the one resource that we have, as best as we can.
This seminar really interests me. It's all about helping to find your manufacturers and what kind of questions you should be asking. I think it's really beneficial for me as a first-timer who's actually starting a new company to get all that information here.
If you're looking to grow your business, sourcing is where you need to be.
Sourcing.
Sourcing connects me to the global community.
让我与事业同步。
हमें दुनिया के सारे विश्व समुदाय से जोड़ती है।
توصلني بالعالم.
Sourcing kalam ka nagkanangin.